Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And as you know that today, as our current week is working on automations, so today we are going to cover another most important topic for the companies, which is review request. So what we do is that every company need good reviews to improve their reputations. Okay, every company needs a regular conversation with their client. So this is one of the, you can say, module by which we can get the reviews from the customers, and also we can retain our conversation with the customers. So what we do in here is that we send a request to our customers to give us good reviews, to give us the review. But there is a small magic behind this review requesting. So let me show you what that is. Be with me and let's move towards Go High Level screen. Okay guys, so now we are in our Go High Level screen, and for making the review request, first of all we have to create a review form. So for that you have to go inside the sites, which option will appear on the left side, and then inside the form you have to go inside the surveys, and inside the surveys you have to go inside builder. Okay, and inside the builder you can create a new form, survey form. So for that I have already created a folder test. I will just open it, and here I will create a new form. So I will simply create on add survey, and let us wait for it loading. Okay, so I think it's done, if I'm not wrong. Okay, yes, now it's done. So first of all we need two pages here. Okay, so we can create another page as well right here. So in the first slide, what we need is that we need review stars. Okay, so I simply, what here the most important thing is that we can't like add directly stars here. So what we do is that we will go to add object, and in simply click on add, because we are going to create an object for getting the reviews. For here you can go to radio select, inside the radius select you can review is add review test, and object is contact, and group should be general info. And here what I want is star emoji. Yes, this one. I will just simply copy it and paste it here. And similarly I need this for 2 stars, then for 3 stars, then 4 stars, and the last one is 5 stars. Okay, so here we can also write good, and here we can write bad. Okay, everything is good, and I will simply click on save. And after it has been saved, I will simply go inside and simply import it into the web page, into this slide. Okay, let us try again. Yes, now it is good. So now what will happen is that if anyone will open this, it will show it as like he has to select from one of these stars. Okay, so let me change the label name and let me give it to select from following. You can name it, you can rename it. And what we need in the second slide is if someone give us a bad reviews, so what will happen that it will navigate to this slide number 2. Okay, so let us move to what we need here is full name, and I don't, yeah, full name here, and then his email, and then phone number. Okay, okay, it should be right below here. Okay, email is done, and now we need phone. Yes, phone number is done, and now I think we also added the checkpoints as well. Okay, now hit the save button, and after that you can also change the theme as well. Okay, so let me show you my theme, what I build it and how it look like. Just give me a second. Okay, so now you can see that we are inside the form that I built. Okay, here are the stars, and then here is slide number 2. So now let us preview that how it actually works. So if I click on the 5 stars, it will take me towards the Google review form. Okay, where I can give reviews from here. But what happens if I click on, okay, where that is, if I click on 3 stars, means 3 stars a bad review, it will take me towards the form. Okay, so this is actually the trick that we are using behind, is that if they want to give us the bad reviews like 3 2 1, it will take them to the form, and these reviews will not appear on Google. Okay, and if they give us good reviews like 4 5, so it will take us to this Google sheet or this Google form where we can write the reviews simply. So this is the magic behind. Okay, so now what we have to do is that we also, I think, need to integrate this into the funnel, so that we also need to integrate this into the funnel, so that what happens is that we can live it and we can send it to the customers. Okay, so for that what we have to do is that we have to go to the sites. Inside the sites we have to go inside the funnels, and here we can import that form into this funnel. For that what you have to do is that you have to go to the surveys, and after that you have to go inside your form that you built, and here you can see integrate. You will simply click on it and copy this code, as I already did this, so I will show you how it looks like inside the funnel. So now go inside the funnels, and inside the funnels you can see the one that I created, review funnel. Yes, this one. Okay, so let us move inside here, and yeah, landing page is done. So I also edited the theme as well, because the theme I like, I made that. So you can make that theme that you like. Okay, so here you can see what I built here, but as I want you to how you can import your survey form here inside the funnel, because you can't send this review request until you import the survey form inside the funnel. Okay, so here is the funnel. So simply what you have to do is that you will simply click on add button, and here you will get you have to search for code. Yeah, this one. You will simply import it like this. Okay, so you simply click on it, and you have to paste that code that you copied from survey. If I copied that, no, I haven't copied that, but you have to paste that here. And after this your form will get inside the funnel, and you will simply click on save and publish it. Okay, after that you get this link right here. So you copy this link, just I copy this link, and now I will move towards automation. Okay, so inside automation now I'm going to create and you can say a full email automation here, where you will send the review request to your customers. Okay, but before that, as you know, we have copied the link, so we will move towards marketing. And inside, no, it's not inside. Let us see inside marketing. And inside marketing you have trigger links. I will simply click on trigger links. So trigger links is actually from where we can make, you can say, we can see that what customers are doing. So basically what trigger links are here is just like to navigate, or you can see you can like just to check that whether your customers have clicked on the link you shared or not. So that's why we use the trigger links. So I will simply click on, if it has been added, so it is not added, I will simply click on add link, and here is the review request link, and I will simply paste that link here and click on save. Okay, and after that I will move inside the automations, and inside the automation let us create a new automation for review request. Okay, so I will simply go here and then create a new workflow for automation for review request, and let us wait for it slowly. Okay, after here, you first of all, what you have to do is that first of all, you have to add the trigger. So what type of triggers we can add here? First of all, the most you can say what that called, the most important for now. So that is contact tag. And what type of contact tag you can add here is that lead captured. Okay, so you can write any type of lead, because we send review requests to those customers who are done with us and their project is completed and their everything is finalized. So now we need to send them a review request. So I added lead captured, means lead is done. I will simply add that and click on save trigger. After that, there is another trigger. What that called is survey submitted. No. Appointment book, note added. No. Task completed. Yes, this can be another trigger for here. And other one, quiz submitted, accept granted, appointment status completed as well, or appointment status booked as well. So both can work for as a trigger here. And opportunity change as well. So if the lead reached to the last opportunity or the final opportunity stage or final pipeline stage, so it can get added inside this workflow as well. Okay, so category completed, lesson completed. So these are all the multiple types of triggers that you can add here. So now I will, what here I can add a wait. Okay, wait for almost 2 hours, or you can also add days. Okay, so currently I added the wait for 2 hours, and then I need to send an email. So send. Okay, just right here. Yeah, so now we have to write an email, and it's from Auxth, and info subject is make a review or write a review. And here you can write your own message, whatever you want. And after writing the message, what you have to do is that you have to paste the trigger links from here. I will simply click on it, and what trigger link we saved here is review. Let us search. Yeah, review request link. So simply it has been pasted, and now click on save. So review request has been done. So there are multiple, we can increase the workflow as well to check that whether customer has clicked on our link or not. So for that, let me show you if else conditions, and if workflow trigger events trigger links. So wait for trigger link. Okay, so before that we need to add wait, confirm. Yeah, here I will add another wait, so that we have to wait for the customer to click on the trigger linked. Okay, so it's not the time delay, we have to change it to condition. Yeah, trigger link clicked, and the trigger link was, what was a trigger link we have to review. Yeah, here, right here I added that, and done, it's done. Okay, and now we have to add if condition, if else condition, and now you can see events, and inside events trigger link is now enabled. And if trigger linked is review request, and done. Okay, so now what will happen is that if now this branch shows me that if trigger link is clicked, then what we have to do, and if the trigger link is not clicked. Okay, so you can also add the timeout here as well, that timeout can be 1 day. So if within a day, if the user clicked on the link, then what will happen, and if the user did not click on the link, then what will happen. So these are multiple types of condition that we can add, and if they did not click on the link, we can more add the actions here, like send a second email, send a third email, like that. So this is all for today, and hope so you like our video, and if you like it, please subscribe and like our video. Let's meet you in another interesting topic in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.